4 commandments of an Indiana personal injury case. Simply having been injured by another person's negligence is not enough to win an injury case. There are several things that you can do to effectively sabotage your own case. The following are things you never want to do if you are a victim of someone else's negligence. Number 1, never delay in seeking medical treatment. This is one of the easiest ways for an insurance company to attack your case. If you delay in getting medical treatment, the insurance company is going to argue that you could not be seriously hurt because a hurt person would have gone to the doctor immediately. They will also argue that by delaying treatment, you have not done what you need to do to get better. If you delay long enough, the insurance company will argue there must have been another injury occur between the original injury and the later doctor's visit. If you're hurt, go to the doctor. Now is not the time to act tough or otherwise pretend you're not hurt. If you delay in getting medical treatment, you will only give the insurance company additional reasons not to pay for your claim. Don't do that to you and your family. The bottom line, go to the doctor if you're hurt. Number 2, never seek treatment from a medical professional who contacts you after an injury. There are a few medical professionals, including chiropractors, who use police reports to identify victims of negligence. They then call these people up or even go to their house to try to persuade them to seek treatment at their facility. These places often create the impression that the insurance company for the other driver hired them to examine you and give you treatment. They are misleading you. No insurance company hires doctors or chiropractors to treat people in the other vehicle shortly after a crash. That just doesn't happen. These facilities that contact you are merely hoping to cash in on your case. They want to give you a large inflated bill and hope to get part of the money that should go to you. These facilities might even be affiliated with an attorney's office and encourage you to go hire that attorney for the case. As you can imagine, insurance companies do not view these facilities favorably. Some of our clients have made the mistake of starting with these facilities, but soon realized their instincts were telling them something was off. Our clients have told us these places seemed more interested in how quickly the case was going to get settled than taking care of the client's injuries. Remember, if common sense says something is wrong, it usually is. If you see red flags are waving, stop. Stop treating at the facility and call your own doctor for guidance. Continuing treatment with these questionable facilities will significantly lower the settlement offer. The bottom line, if someone calls you or shows up to your house offering medical services, run the other way. Number 3, never give a statement to the at-fault party's insurance company without speaking to an attorney. No matter how well-mannered the insurance company representative is, they are your opponent. Even if they admit their insured is at fault for your injuries, they will try to trick you into saying something that will hurt your case later. That's what they're trained to do. When insurance companies win, they usually win by downplaying an injured person's injuries. Personal injury law is complex. There are several aspects of it that are counterintuitive. What you think will help your case might actually hurt it. The bottom line, never give a statement without conferring with your attorney. Number 4, never give a statement to your own insurance company about your injuries without speaking to an attorney first. This rule can be tricky because you have an obligation to cooperate with your own insurance company. However, you always have the right to speak to an attorney first, and an experienced attorney can help provide guidance. Basically, there are 2 aspects to every injury claim: property damage and bodily injury. It's generally okay to talk to your insurance company about property damage, which is all about getting you back on the road. This conversation will involve questions of repairs, rentals, possibly even a new vehicle. The second part of a case is the injury portion. This conversation will include discussions of your injuries, lost wages, pain, and suffering. You don't want to discuss the injury specifics with your own insurance provider unless you've already consulted with an experienced injury attorney. Why? Your own insurance company may be responsible for paying for your injuries if the person who caused your injury does not have enough insurance. In fact, this is a common occurrence. When you buy auto insurance, you pay for something called uninsured, underinsured insurance. You pay for this so that if someone injures you and they don't have enough insurance, you can still recover. And even though you pay these premiums to your own insurance company will do everything possible to pay you the least amount possible. The bottom line, even with your own insurance company, talk to an attorney before giving a statement. If you have any questions, give us a call. We love talking about how we can help injured people recover. Our phone number is 317-632-3642. Stay safe and take care of each other.